The figure below shows two rectangles PQRS and ARBS, where QR is 12 cm, SR is 25 cm, and SB is 20 cm. PAQ is a straight line. Find the area of the shaded part of the figure, which is over here. Second part, find the length of RB. Now, to find the shaded part, we need to know the length and the breadth. Okay, we can either use this times this, okay, half times base times height as a triangle here, or considering we don't have any idea about this, is still a question mark. We have this 20 cm, but we don't have this. We can use half times this base here times this height. This height we know because it's the same as 12 cm. Alright, half times 25 times 12. Part A, half times 25 times 12. That will be 150 square cm. And that will be the answer for part A. Now for part B, find the length of RB. RB is over here. We need to know something about this rectangle, because the area of the rectangle, once we get that, we know that length times this breadth will give you that particular area. Okay, now since we already have the shaded part, if we take this, we multiply by 2, so 150 times 2, we get the area of the rectangle. So again, the area of rectangle ARBS, that will be equals to 300 square cm. Okay, so because we took this and we multiplied it by 2 triangles, 300 square cm. So 20 times what gives you 300? So RB is just going to be equals to 300 divided by 20, 15 cm. Okay, so 20 times 15, that will give you 300 square cm. So what's RB? RB is 15 cm, which gives us the final answer for this question.